Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cover your face with emoji on the CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut application. And for example, guys, I'm going to cover this man's face with an emoji. So first of all, guys, we can click on the sticker option right here, and we can select the emoji we would like to use or we would like to apply to our video. And I'm gonna go with this one. For example, click on the emoji, then we can click on the check mark, and I'm going to place the emoji on the man's face like this. Okay, and after that we can make this emoji align with the video like this. You can drag the emoji, and after that we're going to use the tracking feature to make the emoji follow the moving object. We can scroll all the way to the right. We can click on the tracking option right here. Okay, then after that we can place the circle to the object we want to track. And since we want to make this emoji follow the moving face, we can place the circle on the face. Okay, and once you're done or once you're ready to track the moving object, you just need to click on start tracking. Okay, and wait until the process has completed. Okay, all right, and now the tracking completed, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can cover our face with emoji in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.